Hello ladies and germs, here we are at the end of summer semester 2015. Time flies when you're having fun or when you're being tortured by principles of economics. This will be my last video to you, probably. I hope that you enjoyed the unit or didn't at least find it to be too taxing or too dull. Hope you got some enjoyment out of it, and I hope you learned something beyond what you might be required to answer in the final exam. And with that in mind, let's have a little bit of exam advice. The final exam, which is coming up very soon for you, you should already know your exam timetable. You should have been informed of that by university administration already. The exam for Principles of Economics will be 2 hours long, and it will consist of two parts: multiple choice and short answer questions. The multiple choice questions will give you 4 options to choose from for each question, and there will be 30 questions. The short answer part consists of 7 short answer questions. Some of them are divided into parts, so there might be 3 parts to each short answer question, so sub-questions. But a few of them will be simply one question by itself. So that's that. As to hints, I know that some of you have been asking about whether any hints will be provided. For the multiple choice, all I'll say is this: of the 30 questions, 24 of them are focused on microeconomics, and 6 of them are focused on macroeconomics. So there's a heavier weighting to the microeconomic part of the unit for the multiple choice. As for the short answer, I'll give you a bit more direction about that. There will be, these are topic areas which will be focused on for the short answers. So there will be a focus on issues relating to unemployment, employment, and the labour force. It's kind of one general area. There will be attention given to profit maximization, so the optimal output for a profit maximizing firm and the socially optimal output. And yes, you will need to be able to read tables and graphs of firms. There will be another topic is related to GDP, what that means and what it measures. Is it any good at measuring other things? Is it a good proxy? And then there are, what else is there? And then there's a question that's on monetary policy. Yeah, so there's a monetary policy question. And finally, there's the very last question on the exam gives you an option where you can choose to answer a question on Dutch disease, or you can choose to answer a question on fiscal policy, or you can choose to answer a question on cost-benefit analysis. You get to choose for that last part, that last question. Okay, so that pretty much constitutes the hints for the Principles of Economics Summer Semester 2015 final exam. If you have any other administrative questions or other questions related to the content, you can send me an email, or you can post something on the discussion board, and maybe another student might answer the question for you. Anyway, good luck for your exams. I hope that you don't need it.